Conjugation of the verb to sleep in 12 English tenses. Conjugation of the verb to sleep in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I sleep. 2. Simple past, I slept. 3. Simple future, I will sleep. 4. Present continuous, I am sleeping. 5. Past continuous, I was sleeping. 6. Future continuous, I will be sleeping. 7. Present perfect, I have slept. 8. Past perfect, I had slept. 9. Future perfect, I will have slept. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been sleeping. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been sleeping. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been sleeping. Conjugation of the verb to sleep. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it sleeps. 2. Simple past. He, she or it slept. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will sleep. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is sleeping. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was sleeping. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be sleeping. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has slept. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had slept. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have slept. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been sleeping. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been sleeping. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been sleeping. Conjugation of the verb to sleep. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they sleep. 2. Simple past. You, we or they slept. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will sleep. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are sleeping. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were sleeping. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be sleeping. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have slept. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had slept. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have slept. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been sleeping. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been sleeping. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been sleeping. Verb to sleep forms. Present simple I, you, we or they sleep. She, he or it sleeps. Past simple slept. Past participle slept. Ing form sleeping.